G'day everyone, and welcome back to the Ratty Workshop YouTube channel. Today's video, we're putting an interior in the HZ, so let's get right into it.
Alrighty, so weather's turned the shit a bit, but we have got a working system here. Should work for now, even if I have to upgrade it a bit later, make it a bit stronger, but it should be right. I'm probably never going to really move the seat much anyway, maybe just a little bit, but nothing crazy. And then in terms of scuff plates that my mate was doing, well, they look sick. So we kind of left them looking pretty ratty, and I reckon it turned out pretty nice. Just put a bit of clear coat on top, and it's done the job. Now, also I've put the winders in, so they're fully in now. And I've also put this door seal in, so that's all done now. So it should be right. So next up, I'm going to get in here. I'm going to start cleaning up in here, and then I'm going to do my little drain plugs, and then I reckon it's time for carpet, so let's get into that. Alright, sorry in advance if there's crazy wind noises, it's pretty breezy out today. But other than that, hopefully the video's alright. But we've got our drain plugs in. That one over there, I didn't have an original one, so I had to just make up a little custom, just flat piece of bar there. Should do the job. It's not letting shit in, so it should be right. Doesn't look as clean as this one, but oh well, what can you do? So now that they're in, I'm going to let them dry, so the rear ones I won't worry about just yet. So we're going to work on the front set of carpet. So I believe it's this one just here. So I'll get it out of the tailgate, put it up the front, we'll have a look at what we need to do to it. Alright, so as you can see, there's already a pretty big problem. We've got our shifter under there, so that's obviously going to be in the way. So I'm going to take it back out. I'm going to find my center point, and then also the position at where the shifter is sitting. And then I'm going to do a slice down the middle, and then 2 slices on the ends, make a little H cut. That way it'll slide over and slide under and whatever else. So we'll see how we go. Now this is my first time working with carpet like this, so it might end up being a pretty dodgy job, but as long as it's in there, it looks nice, it should be right. Alright, let's take it out and get those cuts in. Alright, I forgot to press record, but here we are. I've put in the front carpet now. Still waiting for the sticker to dry. Should be another half an hour probably. But till then, got Oscar here helping me out. Just cleaning up final bits. So I have to do underneath the trim here. So that should look nice. I did have a little bit of trouble getting it all lined up. You can see there's a bit of an open spot here, so I had to move it forward a bit more because it wasn't hugging the tunnel as closely as I would like it to. And then in terms of up here, it looks pretty dodgy still, but we've got our wires feeding through here and also the cable. So I have to figure out something that looks a bit nicer than this. Maybe I'll build like a box over it or something. I would in the future like to get like a center console, or make a custom center console to go across this section, but see how we go. Not crazy good at CAD or anything like that, so it might have to just be a custom built in person kind of thing, but we'll see. That's in the far future, I reckon. What I also didn't get to show you was putting in this rear piece just here. A little bit wavy, I don't really care. It's going to be hidden behind the seat, you won't really see it, but kind of just ties it in together. It's got the black and the silver sort of colours, black and grey. Kind of matches the car, black and grey, silver. Looks pretty nice. But yeah, now I've just got to wait for the sticker to dry, and then our rear carpet can go in, and then finally the seat. So till then, I'm just going to be waiting, just chilling with Oscar here. We'll see what happens. Alright, see you soon. Alright, there we are. All the carpets in. Looks absolutely sick. Also got seat belts in, and I've also got my 4 bolt holes marked out. Oscar's on one of them. So those are for the bench seat, which I will be getting into in a second. But I reckon Oscar approves of the carpet. It is really nice when you sit on it. Not that you're going to be sitting on it when you are in the car, but as it is right now, when you sit on it, it gets really nice and warm. So he approves, even though he's scratching it. But yeah, it's a really nice carpet. It's from Knox Auto Carpets. Really nice stuff. I would be buying it again if I had to do another car. It is spot on. But anyways, let's move on to the bench seat. There we go. So obviously it looks like a seat cover. It's got the kind of look to it. That's alright. I don't really mind as long as it's, you know, doesn't have holes and shit in it. It's, yeah, really good. Still looks pretty alright. Once it's in the car, it'll look even better, I reckon. So that's our next thing. Get the seat back into the car. Alrighty, let's have a look at what it looks like. Have a look at that, that's awesome. I reckon the seat kind of just ties it all together, makes it look really nice. So that is the interior done. I still have a few little things just to button up and whatever else, including a new steering wheel, putting in my headlight switch, putting in the new radio or the old one, I don't know yet. I'm still debating if I go get a nice Bluetooth one or not, but that's for future. The ashtray is somewhere, so I need to find that. And then I just have to hide away some more wires. But other than that, looks bloody awesome. And when you have a seat, it's really nice and comfy, and you get a nice comfy view as well. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good one. See you later.